The news is brought to you by the National Bank of the Virgin Islands, Cyril B. Romney Turtola Pier Park, NV Salon, Nail Spa and Barbershop, Tisley Cross Deliciously Smooth Cider, and Digicel, simply more speed, reliability and entertainment. It's June 1. The start of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season, and according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), they are predicting a 65% chance of an above normal season, a 25% chance of a near normal season, and a 10% chance of a below normal season. The increased activities anticipated this hurricane season is attributed to several climate factors, including the ongoing La Nina that is likely to persist throughout the hurricane season, warmer than average sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea, weaker tropical Atlantic trade winds, and an enhanced West African monsoon. For the 2022 hurricane season, NOAA is forecasting a likely range of 14 to 21 named storms, of which 6 to 10 could become hurricanes, including 3 to 6 major hurricanes, categories 3, 4, or even 5. NOAA says it provides these ranges with a 70% confidence. Now, according to our local Department of Disaster Management, there are already 2 potential systems in the region. However, neither of these looks likely to impact the Virgin Islands. However, DDM says now is the time to get back into the habit of monitoring weather conditions. With this JTV News Update, Kathy Richards.
We know that where you choose to bank matters, and it is your vote on what your funds do in strengthening our community. As your official Bank of Paradise, we invest and support the lifeblood of our economy by helping in the realization of personal goals for homeownership, education, and entrepreneurial visions, which support small businesses. We make it our place to connect with persons and worthy causes, and we have been doing so for more than 30 years. Where your money goes and what your dollars empower are your choice. And we thank you for choosing us, a bank that gives where it matters the most, for you, for our community, and a happier tomorrow. The National Bank of the Virgin Islands.
Fisley Cross Cider. Fisley Cross Cider. Deliciously smooth.
Hey, you. Put on some muscle?
I did?
No.
Rapid growth and reliance on digital systems has opened new vulnerabilities, and additional layers of cybersecurity are required to combat sophisticated cyber attacks. Simply Secure's security management solution helps overcome these challenges. Our service includes 24/7 protection for network devices, computers and servers with automatic restoration, security audits, and penetration testing. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Contact us today.